So this is a sweet potato, and this is a sweet potato slip. All right, and so what I'm going to do is show you how I got the sweet potato slip. So I took a chitted or sprouted sweet potato like this, took it, placed it in some water, put it in a sunny window, and these grew. And so all we need to do in order to get a sweet potato slip is have a glass or a container, have some water, and a sprouted sweet potato here. So as you can see, all I'm going to do is pull this or cut it from the sweet potato, and you just take it and you snip it. So right here, I just took it off from right there from the base, and I'm also going to snip it about right here. All right, and just like that, we have 1, 2 sweet potato slips. And I'm just going to place it in here in my glass. I'm going to strip off these 2 leaves right here. It needs to have a set of leaves on it. That's ideal. And I am going to pour some water. And in about 5 days, you will have sweet potato slips that you can plant out in your garden. They will have roots on them.